Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install Android TV OS version 14 into any Google TV. Go to settings. Select all settings from top right corner. Go down, go to system. Under system, select about. Under about, you can see the current version of Android TV OS. It says 12. I am going to upgrade this to 14. Under about, select system update. It's checking for update, please wait. See, it says system update ready. It's already downloaded and verified that update. Size of the update is 809 MB. It says this software update includes upgrade Android TV version from 12 to 14. Here we just need to select restart now button. That way we can install this update and upgrade this TV from Android TV OS version 12 to 14. If your TV company has released Android TV OS version 14 upgrade, you would be able to see similar message in your TV. Otherwise, you have to wait. You have to wait for your TV company to release Android TV OS version 14 upgrade. This way you can check for Android TV OS version 14 upgrade and install. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.